I'm starting from the question that that we left, I think yesterday. Yesterday we have done question number 5. Now I'm starting with question number 6. This is question number 6, exercise 1.2. So here the question is, the area of the circle is 25 square centimeter. Find the length of its arc. Find the length of its arc subtending an angle of 144 degree at the center. Also find the corresponding center. Let me draw the circle. Actually, it is not needed to draw the circle, but just to explain you, I'm drawing the circle. Now, suppose this is the circle, and the area of the circle is given to be 25 square centimeter, and there's an arc which subtends an angle of 144 degree at the center. Okay. Now, what to do? See. Now, this angle is of 144 degree. And this is the arc. Let the arc be AB. Let the arc be AB, and this is subtending an angle of 144 degree at the center, beta. So what to do now? Now what we are given with, first of all, I would write down the solution. Now the solution can be solved as, I would write down here, area of circle. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Got it? Now what else? But area is already given here, so I would write down this as 25, which is area of circle, is equal to, so that is 25 pi. This is a mistake. This is 25 pi. So here also I would write down here, wait a second, let me erase this. This is 25 pi is equal to pi r square. So beta, what I will do, I can cancel this pi and pi. Now I'm getting r square as 25. So what is r? R is square root of 25. So r is equal to 5. Very good. You won't take it plus and minus because radius is always positive, so no need to take it as negative. So r is equal to 5. I got the radius. Now theta. Theta is equal to 144 degree. While calculating, we have to take this theta into radians. So I need to multiply this particular term into pi upon 180. No need to write down this degree. It's not there. Now I know this comes in 12 stable, 12 12, and this comes in 15 stable. Further, I can cancel it again. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So I'm getting it as theta is equal to 4 pi upon 5 radians. So what we are asked to find out, find the length of its arc. He has asked here, you can see I'm marking here, find the length of its arc. So if I want to find the length of arc, that is written as S. Now S is given to be R into theta. We know that this is the formula. S is equal to R theta is the formula to find out length of arc, like this. Now again what I'll do, I'll write down S is equal to R, radius is 5. We have found out here, and theta is 4 pi upon 5 radians here. So I would write down this as 4 pi upon 5. So beta, you can see I can cancel this 5 and 5. Now what is remaining with me? S is equal to 4 pi centimeter. Now why centimeter? Because it is a length. Length is always given in centimeter or meter. Okay. Now further, he has asked, see, also find the area of corresponding sector. This is also important. So do you know what is area of sector? Formula for area of sector. What is area of sector, beta? Half
Half into radius r
r
square
square
theta.
into theta. I hope you remember this. So that
Yes,
is
sir.
half into r square. So what is r square? R is 5. 5 square is 25. I can directly write down 25 into theta. Theta is 4 pi upon 5. But I can cancel this. 5 5s are 25. Now what is remaining with me? Area of sector is equal to 5 4. I can also cancel this 2 2s are 4. Now what is remaining? 5 2s are 10 and pi. That's it. I would write down here 10 pi, and this is centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Since it is area. Okay, this is how we will find. We have find it out the area as well as length of arc, area of sector and length of arc. We have found out both the things. But please copy this down or take a screenshot, whatever is convenient for you. And even if you don't take, I will save this and send back to you all the notes. You'll get all the notes. Okay, shall I move further? You have any
Yes,
doubt in any part of the question?
No, sir.
no, sir.
So this is new screen. Okay. Now I'll read the question again for you. See, OAB is a sector. This OAB is a sector with center O. You can see I have made I have written O over here. That is the center. Radius is 12. So I would write down here as 12 centimeter. This is into 12. This is into centimeter. Measure angle AOB 60 degrees. That also I have written over there. Find the difference between the area of sector AOB and triangle AOB. So which is sector? This part that you can see in the diagram. This part. This entire part is known as the sector. And which is the triangle? That I will mark in red color now will be the triangle. Now this which I have marked with red color is the triangle. So I have to find out the difference between this sector and the triangle. So what I need to do, first I will find out this entire area of this entire sector. And out of that what I will do, I'll take out this triangle. ये triangle मैं निकाल दूंगा. और जब मैं ये सॉरी मैं ये निकाल दूंगा, ये इसको ये पार्ट में निकाल दूंगा, ये ट्रायंगल निकाल दूंगा. जब मैं ये ट्रायंगल निकाल दूंगा सेक्टर में से ना, तो मुझे क्या मिलेगा? डिफरेंस बिटवीन द सेक्टर एंड द ट्रायंगल. गॉट इट? सो लेट मी स्टार्ट दिस बेटा. What I would do, first of all, here I will write down that OA is also radius as well as OB is also radius, which is given to be 12 centimeter. Got it? This is 12 centimeter. Also, I am given that measure angle AOB is equal to 60 degree beta. So I know the theta as well as I know the radius. So what I would write down here, I must change this into radians. So what I will do, just to change this into radian, I would write down here pi upon 180. I can cancel this 63s are. So I would write down here pi upon 3 radians. Got it beta? Pi upon 3 radians. Okay, now area of sector. Let us find out area of sector. Now let us take another color marker. I'll write down here area of sector OAB. Okay, this is area of sector OAB. Now there's a formula to find out area of sector, and I hope you remember this. Area of sector is given by half r square theta. So what is half r square theta? Half into radius square. Radius is 12. 12 square is 144 and theta is pi by 3. Let us write it down as it is. So what I'll do now, instead I will write down here half into, if I cancel this 144, I would get 142. And can I divide this 72 by 3? Yes, I can divide. Kya hoga if I divide this by what we call it? 72 by 3, 3 2 is 6.
24.
24, yes. So I would write down here area of sector is 24 pi centimeter square. Okay, this is area of sector. Now I need to find out the area of triangle. So what I would do, I would rub this so that I will get a space over here to solve the problem further. Okay, so let me draw this. Okay, now see area of triangle. Area of triangle AOB, which is half into base into height, but here we don't have base and height. So we know that here OA is equal to OB. That means I will write down triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, I should write down in, this is not there, in triangle AOB, I will write down OA is equal to OB, and also angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, by looking at this, see this is 60 degree and this will be equal. Now why this angle will be equal? Angle OAB is equal to angle OBA. Can you tell me why they are equal? By isosceles triangle theorem, if base angles are equal, then their corresponding, if two sides of a triangle are equal, then their base angles are equal. This is isosceles triangle theorem. Got it? I got this OA equal to OB. Therefore, this base angle will be equal to this. Okay. Now, what if this angle is 60 degree? Then the sum of these two angles will be 120. If I divide 120 into two parts, each will be 60 again. Got it? So this is 60 degree, 60 degree. So I got all the angles are 60 degrees. So I would write down triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Do you understand how I got it as equilateral triangle?
Yes, sir.
So beta, what is area of equilateral triangle? Can you tell me what is formula for area of equilateral triangle?
Root 3 upon S
Root 3
into
by
root 3 upon
2.
4.
Root 3 upon 4 into side square also. So what is side square? That is 12 square. So I would write down this as root 3 upon 4 into 144. Okay, now I can cancel this by 4. That becomes 36. 36 4 is 144. I would finally write down 36 root 3. Okay, 36 root 3. So I'll write down the final answer here. I have a small space here. Let me draw a box over here for the final answer. Or let me take another page. Wait, I'll take another page because, okay, see this now. I would write down here area of, what are you, difference between, not area. The question was asked, find difference between area of sector OAB and area of triangle OAB. So that is, I would write down area of sector. What I got area of sector as, let me see behind. It's 24 pi. 24 pi minus 36 root 3. So I can take 12 common out of both of them. So if I take out 12 common, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36 square centimeter. So this is the required area. Got it? So if you want, take a screenshot or copy this, whatever is convenient for it, please do it.
Done, sir.
Sir.
Okay, so what was the question? Now I'll explain you the diagram, but before that I would read the question. We are given that this is question number 8. OPQ is a sector of a circle with center O. See in the diagram, OPQ is the sector of this given circle. O center is O. Here I have written O. Radius is 15, so this OQ as well as this OP both are 15. Measure angle POQ is 30, so I have taken this POQ as 13 over here. Find the area enclosed by RPQ. So what area is enclosed by this RPQ, that we have to find out, and chord PQ. RPQ is this and chord PQ is this. So the area that I have shaded with red over there, that we have to find out. So we have to again follow the same thing. If I want to find out this shaded area, this red colored shaded area, what I need to do is I need to take out the area of sector OPQ and area of triangle OPQ. So here easily I can find out area of sector OPQ, but when it comes to the triangle, so to make it convenient to find out the area of triangle, what I have done, I have drawn MQ बना रखा है यहाँ पर, which is perpendicular to OQ. अब आपको पर्पस समझ में आ रहेगा कि मैंने क्यों बनाया. ठीक है, अब इसको आगे मैं और एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ. सबसे पहले मैं यहाँ पर, wait a second, I'll draw a line over there like this. Okay. So now अभी हम क्या कर, सबसे पहले मैं लिखता हूँ यहाँ पर कि OP is equal to OQ because they are radius of the same circle. So I will write down this as 15 centimeter. OP is equal to OQ is 15 centimeter. Now what else is given to me is measure angle POQ is equal to 30 degree. This is already given to me. I will write down here, draw QM perpendicular. I have already drawn, but here I am writing it down. Draw QM perpendicular to OP. Now, what is the purpose of doing so? So now focus in this triangle. Now in triangle QMO, can you see that triangle QMO? Can you visualize it? This is QMO that I have marked with red right now. Okay, in that particular triangle, we know that angle QMO is equal to 90 degree. Angle QOM is equal to 30 degree. So it is but obvious that the third angle, I mean angle OQOM QM will be 60 degree. So I can say that triangle QMO is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. 30, 60, 90 का triangle है ये बेटा. तो 30, 60, 90 का आपको एक rule पता है आपको? The side opposite to 30 degree is what? Yes, beta.
Half of the hypotenuse.
Very good. So which is the side beta here opposite to 30 degree?
QM.
Very good. So I would write down QM is equal to half of what? What is hypotenuse here?
OQ. OQ.
Very good. So I would write down QM, that is not known to us, is equal to half QO. Now QO is given as 15. So I would get this as QM is equal to 15 upon 2. QM is equal to 15 upon 2 centimeter, because the other side is already given as 15. So 15 upon 2. I got the other side also. So what is this QM now? So beta, if you want to find out area of this triangle, this big triangle POQ. Now this, how you will find out the area of triangle POQ? Now this PO becomes the base and QM becomes the height. This PM is base now, PO. And this QM is height. So half into base into height. So I will write down here, therefore, area of triangle POQ is equal to half into base is what beta? PO. PO is 15. मैंने यहाँ पर already लिखा हुआ है, ये देखो PO is 15. First line में लिखा हुआ है. So that is 15. Okay, 15. और height कितना बेटा? अभी हमने QM निकाला है. That is 15 upon 2. So finally I can write down area of triangle POQ. PQO एक ही बात है, POQ लिखो या PQO लिखो. 15 15 से बेटा होता है 225 and 2 2s are 4. Got it? So let me make a box over there just to mark that this is area of triangle POQ. Further, this doesn't, our problem has not got over. अभी हमको और solve करना है. I'll erase this part. अब यहाँ पर मैं solve करता हूँ. I'll take out area of sector. Okay. So to find out the area of sector, I'll start from here. I'll write down here area of sector POQ. What is the formula beta? Half r square theta. So you know the radius half. What is r square? Radius is 15. So 15 into 15 into theta, which is 30. Now if I write down 30 into radians, we know that it is pi upon 6 radians. Okay. Now what else I can do is I'll multiply this. 15 into 15 is 225 upon 6 2s are 12 into pi. So I got this as 225. Area of sector OPQ is equal to 225 upon 12. Let me make one more box over there to mark one of the answers. Okay. Now final answer I'll find out on the next page. I hope you have understood how I have taken out area of triangle and area of OPQ. So what I would do is,
Yes.
okay, one more this I will write down here, area between what is that? Area between आ गया question. हाँ, okay. Area between RPQ and chord PQ will be given by area of sector OPQ minus area of triangle POQ. So what is area of OPQ that we have got? Area of sector OPQ, beta, that is area of sector 225 upon 12 pi. 225 upon 12 pi minus what is area of triangle POQ? That is 225 upon 4. This is 225 upon 4. So what I would do is I will take out that 225 upon 4 outside, and I would write down 1 upon 3 pi. Now why this 1 upon 3 pi? Because 225, if I took out this 225, the 225 and the 225, but out of 12
Yes,
I've taken out that 4 outside, so 4 3s are 12. So I'm getting 1 upon 3 pi minus 225 upon 4. This entire thing got out. So I can finally write down this as 225 upon 4 into pi 1 is a pi upon 3 minus 1 square centimeter. This is our area, required area. So let us make a box.
Sir, this is the final answer, na?
This is the final answer, beta. This is the final answer. You also tried it. You got the same answer.
I stopped in between, sir. Before
Okay.
this slide, I stopped because I was not able to.
I only started it. Actually, I must have not started because you were solving, but I forgot that you are doing this. No problem. Please copy this down. So we are given with area. What was the question? The perimeter of the sector of a circle of area 25 pi. So 25 pi was the area of circle, and perimeter of the sector is 20 centimeters. So we are given area of circle. We know that it is pi r square, and we are given the area of circle as 25 pi. So I would write down 25 pi is equal to pi r square. I can cancel this pi and pi beta. I would get r square is equal to 25. So I can easily write down कि r जो है वो 5 है because square root of 25 is 5. Okay. So what I would do next is, now we are also given with the perimeter of the circle. So as you all know, what is perimeter of the circle? Perimeter of circle. Perimeter of circle is given to be 20. Actually, what is the formula? You will say, sir, it is a perimeter of a circle is, suppose I'll tell you I'll show you the figure. See, it is like this. There are two radiuses and one this length of arc. So R and S. So that means it is 2R plus S. Okay, but we are given with the perimeter. So the perimeter is beta 20. Okay, so what is R? R is given to us. The perimeter is 22R. Radius is given to us. No, radius we have find it out here. 5. So 5 to the 10 plus S. So I would write down the S. I mean the length of perimeter is 20 is here. 10 goes there and gets subtracted. So 10. So I got that S is equal to 10 centimeter. This is length of R. Okay, length of R. Now I need to find out area of sector. So you will say area of sector. For area of sector you will need what we call it theta. So but we don't know theta. So let me tell you, area is equal to half r square theta. But we also know that half into r into theta, because मैं ये r square को r into r लिख दिया. What is r theta? R theta is what beta? What is r theta? It is S, है ना?
Length of arc is.
So half into, I can write down r into S. This r theta becomes S. So I will write down area of sector as half into r into S. Now in this case we don't need that. Please mute yourself. This is disturbing. Half r theta. So half into r, that is 5 into, so that is S. S is 10. S means length of arc. So can I cancel this? Yes, I can cancel. 2 5s are 10. So area of sector is 5 5s are 25 centimeters square. This is area of sector. See how we landed on area of sector. We started first. We found out the radius. Then we found out length of arc. By using length of arc, by using the formula, area of sector is equal to half into radius into length of arc, I found area of sector. I hope you have understood it, and please copy this.